I could try it on. I think they're a little bit too small for my big head, but we're making customized glasses today. Here's what they look like. They could be customized with anybody's name. Here I have heart ones, just in time for the Valentine's holiday. All you're going to need are some beads as well as the glasses. I bought these all off Amazon and I will link them down below so that you could purchase the same exact ones that I have. For this tutorial, I'm using the Loctite Super Glue. This is the gel control one, which I like better because it allows it to dollop into little beads and then you just place your actual beads on top of it. It doesn't roll around or things like that. Don't be shy about the amount that you put on because you want these to stay pretty sturdy, but a little does go a long way, so don't worry about that either. If you have a little older kids, you could always create a little DIY set for them or even like a little station for them to make. I would probably use like a different type of glue. I wouldn't use this with children. Or if you have parents, you could use this or even a glue gun. That would be pretty nice. Alright, well, once you have this all completed, this is what it'll look like and your little ones will definitely enjoy them. Oh, does it look cool?
But I think we're not use the other them.
Should we put more?
Yeah, I like a tie.
Wow, that one's pretty cool. It's like a bead. So I'm opening this one up for Emily.
Whoa! It will make it so beautiful.
Gonna make it so beautiful.
Maybe this one is gonna
What about that? Do you think it's good?
I think I need the other them.
You need a lot of that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on more. So here we go. Look at these cute little glasses. Emily, are they cute?
Yeah?
They're so cute?
Yeah.
So this is the original design. So my little assistant told me that we need to put more on here. So we're gonna go ahead and put more, embellish it more with more of the beads. You have to work pretty quickly with this because you don't want it to dry. So here's the last one that we're gonna do. We're going to put just a dollop. And then I'm going to place this last bead right here. Like so. So it's quick drying. We're going to go ahead and place this on Emily. Look how cute it is! Oh yeah! I hope this tutorial was nice and easy for you. I can't wait for you to make your own. Make sure you tag me if you do, and I'll see you on the next one.
Mom, come here.